What's up everybody? In this video, we're going to be reviewing Pheanoo soundbar with a subwoofer. This soundbar was sent to me for review and I was not told what to say, so this is going to be my honest review. This subwoofer is 5.25 inches and soundbar has 120 watt speakers. This is the entire box. This is what it looks like. And let's open up the box and let's see what's inside the box. In a box you will find subwoofer, soundbar, and a box with instructions, with accessories, and with a remote. In this little accessory box, we'll find two more boxes inside, and then owner's manual in here, and a setup guide. And in here, in this box, looks like there's a remote here that will require two AAA batteries. And then in this box, we will find two paddings. This padding's used if you would like to mount this bar. Then at the bottom, mounting hardware, 2 screws and 2 anchors. And then there's optical cable, HDMI cable, 2 gloves. I'm not sure exactly what they're for, but I guess if you don't want to leave fingerprints on your soundbar, you can use these gloves. And audio to RCA, and this is mounting template. So in the back of the soundbar, you can see right here, there's HDMI output, optical output, and auxiliary output. Also, there is a plug for your subwoofer, so you have to plug in your subwoofer directly into your soundbar. It's not wireless. So some people might not like this, some people might prefer this better. I tried wireless, by some reason I did not like it. So, but the problem with this though, you'll be limited how far you can put the subwoofer away from your soundbar. Most likely you're going to be able to put like 6 feet or 7 feet apart from your subwoofer. And then of course there's also power cable to the subwoofer. Then on the right side of the subwoofer, you can see right here there is a USB port, in the middle power button, and volume up and down buttons. Once you plug in your soundbar into electrical outlet, you'll see a little LED light is going to show up in the middle of the soundbar. And then once you turn your soundbar on with your remote, it's going to start displaying your input. So for example, if it says OP, that means it's optical. Then when you click on input on your remote, you can change it to HD. HD, I'm assuming this is a HDMI, and then you can click on auxiliary. So there are 3 different options here. And this is Bluetooth. So if you leave it like that, you can pull up your phone and you can scan and detect and connect to the soundbar with your phone. Also, you can change the bass using your remote. And if you do that, you can see it's gonna raise by 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think the biggest is 5. I don't think there's 6. Yeah, that's the biggest you can raise your bass to number 5. Also on the remote itself, you can see there is a power button, there is a mute, there is pair, input, the switching between HDMI, optical, and auxiliary. Then there is pause, reset, play, and then volume up and down and fast forward. Then there is also a different sound option on this soundbar, and you can choose between music, news, and movies. And then 3D, apparently what I've heard, it makes a huge difference. When I'm hooked up to my TV, I'm gonna be testing all of these options. And if you decide to connect your phone to the soundbar, what you need to do, you need to click on input on your remote a couple times. Right here, input. You'll have to press a couple times until you're gonna see this OP is gonna change to BL, stands for Bluetooth. So once, twice, and then one more time, Bluetooth. And then on your phone, you have to find P27 and then press on it and connect. I've already done it before, so it's connecting automatically. Once it's connected, what we can do, we can either play music or play a YouTube video. So I'm gonna bring up a YouTube video. This is one of my YouTube videos. I was reviewing one of the cameras that was sent to me as well. And so right here, while you're watching a video, what you can do, you can play and pause with your remote. So for example, right here, if I click on play or pause, it's gonna pause the video. As you can see, it's paused. And then once you press play or pause one more time, it's gonna start playing video again. Also, one thing, if you're watching like from a playlist and then you press next, what is it gonna do? It's actually gonna play next video. Or if you are not watching a playlist, it's gonna play next one, the one as recommended for you. So for example, I'm watching this one right now, and then I'm gonna click on next. It's gonna bring up another video. And if you go back, it's gonna go back to the one you were watching before. And now I'm gonna be switching from TV speakers to a soundbar. I'm gonna compare and see the difference. I'm not sure if you were able to hear the difference because I'm using mic to record the audio, but Soundbar made a huge difference. So if you decide to pick one of them up from Amazon, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.